Welcome to SpiceCandies. Today we're making rich chocolate candies. Let's get started. Our candy's ready. Let's pour. Wow, the chocolate aroma is amazing, guys. I wish I could smell that. Well, I think we're ready to pour, don't you think? Let's get going. Almost forgot. Let's pour some over here. Now we can pour the rest. Let's try and square the ends as much as possible. It's not that crucial. It's nice to have. It's already starting to cure. Yeah. There we go. Let's cut it before it's too late. Oh yeah, it's hardening really fast. Let it cool off. I think we have a nice candy batch. So let's get cracking. Let's see what we got. There goes our heart-shaped candy. This is really cute, isn't it? And let's break it down. This is still a bit too hot to touch, but I'm used to it. You do get used to it. But breaking these is really easy. So we can just do it with a breeze. So if you want to make this recipe, just email me. I'll be happy to send you the recipe. And this is really fun. These candies do not contain any lactose. Basically, there's no milk, there's no milk products, there's no butter in it. So they're actually very nice to have even if you're lactose intolerant. I do have a lactose intolerant colleague in my current position. And this is actually quite annoying to see that they don't really have any real options for products like chocolate, like even as basic as dark chocolate. It's also considered dairy product because there are dairy products made on the same lines. This is something you can make if you have a friend, colleague, family member that is lactose intolerant. So that's really nice. So I really hope you like it, guys. Hope you enjoy it and have a sweet day.